Hi guys, this is our first practical in Microsoft Word. So this is the basic one. So here I have written some steps. So you can follow these steps. These are very easy and simple, and it's very helpful. So here first point is how to open Microsoft Word. How can I open it? There are different ways to open Microsoft Word. The simplest one is that just in search box here, in search box, you have to type WORD Word. So this will open Word. Just click on that. So here you can see this one is blank document. This one is blank document. Just click on that blank document. So here you can see here this one is the title word. That is the name of the file. The name of the file. So and here this one is minimize. If I click here, it will minimize the screen, and this one is maximize and restore, and this one close the program. If I want to close it, just click here, close. And here you can see this complete. This is known as tabs. So if I click here, I will write here also. This is known as tabs. This is file tab. This is home tab. This is insert tab. This is design tab. This is layout tab. There are different tabs. So here, down here, you can see this option. This complete is known as ribbon. This complete known as ribbon. From here to here in the end is complete. See here, I have this option also. This option is to display the ribbon, maybe hide the ribbon. Display and hide. Display means show the ribbon, or hide the ribbon. Now I can see the ribbon. Okay, maybe I don't want to see it. So what I will do, I will click here this option, and I choose from here show tabs. Here you can see now I cannot see the ribbon. The ribbon has disappeared. I cannot see it. So again, if I click here and I choose from here show tabs and commands, so here you can see I can see the ribbon. And here this complete one, this one box, this is known as group. I write it here also. That one is known as group. And this one, this complete is known as group. This is clipboard group, and this complete one box, that is font group. This is paragraph group, and this one is complete from here to here. This is styles. This one is editing. So these are groups. And here you can see this arrow. This is launcher. This is also launcher. This is also launcher. So if I click here, a new window will pop up. I can see a new window. Okay. So this is launcher. I can write here also. This is known as dialog box launcher. Or simply you can call it launcher also. That's no problem. Okay. This one is launcher. This one also launcher. Okay. After that, here we have to follow the steps. What are the steps here? See here. The first one is open. I show you how to open the program. Now you know it. So second one is save the document. How can I save it? So that's very important. You have to know how to save the document. There are different ways to save the document. There are different methods to save the document. First one, click on File tab. This is File tab. And from here, you have to click on Save. Click on Save. So after that, you can choose the folder where you want to save it. Maybe I want to save it in document. Okay, this is a document. And here I can give the name. Maybe I write here MS Word practical one. Okay? You can give it any name. Okay. So after that, click on save. So now you can see the name here also. It has changed the name. So here, what is the name here? Easily you can see it. This is MS Word Practical 1. This is MS Word Practical 1. The same name that I have typed, the same name will appear here also. Okay. After that, this is the one method. The other method is that just from keyboard, you have to press Control S to save the document. If I press Control S, same window will open and I have to write the name. Any name I can write it, and anywhere, any document in any folder I can save it. Just pressing Control S. Okay, after that, here I have option close the document. How to close the document? One option, just clicking from here to close it. And here I have other option also by pressing Alt F4. Alt F4 to close the document. This is for close the document, and this one is to save the document. Close. If I press here Control Alt F4 here, Alt F4 here. Now it has closed. So where I save it in document. So I will move to document. Here is document. Here you can see document. This is document. Okay. And here this one, MS Word Practical 1, same file. So double click. Same file, same name. You can see it here also. Okay. After that, so here are two options to close the document. One from here, and second option, Alt F4. See here, this Alt F4. I have opened many programs, and if I am pressing Alt F4 one time, this will close the first program. If I press again Alt F4, it will close the second program. If I press Alt F4 again, it will close another program. So it will continue until the system will be shut down. There option will appear that if you want to shut down the computer. So Alt F4 to close any program. Okay, after that, here we have option creating new document. How I can create a new document? So there are different methods to create the document. One option, click here on file. Okay, how I can create a new document? Okay, so one option is here from here. Just click on file tab, and from file tab I have to select here new. Okay, and from here I have to select here new document, blank document. Okay, here you can see the name also. Name has changed. So what is name now? This is document. Sorry, this file. This is document 1, the new one. Before this, I have the MS Word Practical 1. Now new document. This is new document. Or I can press from keyboard Control and for new document. You can see here. This is document 2. Now I want to close it. If I want to close it, just click on close button. So this will close it. And if I close here also, click here this close button, so it will close this one also. So new document. So how I can create? By pressing Control plus and for new. For new, I have to press Control and new. So here you can see also save. Your first letter is S. First letter is S. So by pressing Control S, it will save. Here new, first letter is N. By pressing Control N for new document. So there are different two different things. One is new document and other one is new page. See a new page. If I want to move to new page, just press enter from keyboard. Press enter. So it will move to the second page. Here you can see also this one is page 2. So new page is different and new document is different. They are not same. Okay, after that, what I have to do, here we have help option. For help, we have to press F1. I can write here also, help. For help, we have to press F1. F1 from keyboard. See here, if I press here F1, a new window will open, but your computer must be connected with internet. Okay, you must have internet, otherwise it will not work. So maybe I don't know how to create a table. So just I type here table. Anything that you don't know, just you can search it from here. Okay, you can search. Just click on table. Here you can see how to create and insert a table. If I click this one, this will give me the complete information how to insert a table. So this will give me the complete information. This is help. Anything you can type and anything you can search it. Okay, this is for help. Okay, after that, here we have saved the file in Word 97 2003 document. See here why I want to save it in 2003 format. Although I am using in 2016. Sorry, I have here number 7 also. That is missed one. I will start from number 7. Alt key help. What is Alt key help? So actually, if I press here from keyboard Alt here, Alt, here you can see different option will come. If I want to open file, just press F. If I want to go to insert, I have to press N. If I want to move page layout, I have to press P. So here different option will appear. Okay, just pressing Alt from keyboard. Okay, first I will type here also what I am going to press. Alt from keyboard. Okay, just press Alt from keyboard, and if I want to move here insert, just press N. Here. After that, you need table, you have to press T. If you want object, you have to press J. If you need date and time, you have to press T. You can see here. This is help from Alt. Okay, after that, I have to save the file in 2003 document. Why I am going to save it in 2003 document? Actually, sometimes if I am creating the document and I am sending it to another person and who has not this Microsoft Office 2016, so sometimes it may create error that it will not open. It is not compatible with old one. So what I will do, I will change the file. I will change this in 2003 format. So how can I change it? Just press on file and move to save as, and from here you can choose any folder. Okay, and here you can give any name also. I can give the name. Okay, let it be the same name, no problem. So save as type. From here, save as type, I have to choose this Word 97 2003 document. That is the old one. That is old one. And from here I have to press save. So I show you also here here. So here I have two file. One is in 2016 format and other one is 2003 format. So they have different type. Okay, if I right click here, okay, and here if I move to properties, here you can see what this document type is docx, that is document X. Okay, and here you can, if I click this one, sorry, just right click, and here properties. So here this one is .doc, and here you can see 2003. Okay, after that I have other steps also. Let's see what are they. Save the file in PDF. Okay, how I can save the file in PDF? So for this I have to click here file, again move to save as, and you can choose any folder, and from here you can give any name. Okay, you can type any name or let it be same like that, that's no problem. And here you can see we have save as type. So from here I can choose PDF, and from here click on save. Okay, now you can see this file is now in PDF. I show you here in document also. Here this file is now in PDF. Okay, after that I have to create a template. There are different template I can create it. So how I can create it? Go to file, and here we have option new, and here you can see these are different template. Here are different template. Just you can click on any one, and after that you can modify that one. Here are different template, thousands of template, and here are some of them, they are online also. You can create a resume, educations, letters, flyer, cards, holidays. So there are different template you can create it. Maybe I want to create that one. Just click on that and click create. Here after that I can just change the data. I can change the text. Okay, maybe I can write here uh, you can write anything, my computer, maybe I have my computer. And here you can change the topics, you can change the pictures, you can change the title also. That means you can modify it. You can change the data. That is template. Okay, last one is change view as full screen reading. Actually, how you can change it? This option was available in 2010, but in 2016 we have just 3 view. We have read mode, we have print layout. Usually we are using this one, print layout, and this one is web layout. Here, if I click here, read layout, so this is reading mode. This one is print layout, and this one is web layout. So these are different view, different mode, but usually we are using this print layout. Just click on print layout. I hope so this is helpful. Thank you.